The forbidden kingdom, only the chosen can enter. The hidden city no one can find. Shambhala's greatest mystery. Shangri-La, the lost paradise, ancient legend or hidden truth. The mystery of Shambhala, ancient secrets revealed. Imagine a place hidden deep within the snow-covered Himalayas, a place where time ceased to stand still, where aging and disease no longer exist, and where enlightened masters are believed to have lived for centuries. Some call it Shambhala, others know it as Gyanganj, and to the Western world, it is known as Shangri-La. But is this mysterious kingdom merely an ancient legend? Or could it be one of Earth's greatest unsolved mysteries? Why do countless monks, yogis, explorers, and spiritual seekers believe that this hidden realm truly exists? And why it is said that only those who are spiritually worthy can ever find its entrance? Today we journey into one of the most fascinating mysteries in history as we explore the legends, ancient scriptures, historical accounts and scientific perspectives surrounding Shambhala, Gyanganj and Shangri-La. So let's begin the extraordinary journey. For thousands of years, stories have circulated about a hidden kingdom somewhere beyond the towering Himalayan peaks, a place untouched by the chaos of the outside world. In Tibetan Buddhist tradition, the kingdom is called Shambhala. Ancient texts, particularly in Kal Chakra Tantra, described it as a sacred land ruled by enlightened kings known as the Rigdans. According to these teachings, Shambhala is a spiritually advanced civilization where wisdom, compassion, and higher consciousness flourish. A famous prophecy states that when humanity reaches its darkest age, the final king of Shambhala will emerge to restore harmony and righteousness. In India, a remarkably similar concept exists under the name Gyanganj. Unlike an ordinary monastery, Gyanganj is believed to be a hidden spiritual academy deep within the Himalayas, invisible to ordinary eyes. Many yogic traditions describe it as a home of immortal sages and accomplished masters who continue guiding humanity from behind the scenes. Some spiritual traditions even associate Gyanganj with the legendary Mahavatar Babaji and other enlightened beings. However, these beliefs are rooted in spiritual traditions and personal accounts rather than publicly verifiable historical evidence. The Western world became familiar with a similar idea through James Hilton's 1933 novel Lost Horizon, which introduced the legendary Valley of Shangri-La, a peaceful paradise where people enjoy extraordinary longevity and inner peace. Many researchers believe Hilton may have been inspired by Himalayan legends of Shambhala and Gyanganj, although he never confirmed the direct connection. This raises an intriguing question. Are Shambhala, Gyanganj and Shangri-La these three different names for the same hidden realm? Some scholars think they represent the same mystical concept expressed through different cultures and traditions. Others argue that each has its own unique philosophical meaning. Over the centuries, numerous travelers, monks, and explorers have claimed to witness strange phenomena in the Himalayas, mysterious lights, disappearing paths, unusual sounds, and encounters with extraordinary ascetics. These stories have inspired generations of seekers, yet none has been independently verified with conclusive evidence. From a scientific perspective, there is currently no confirmed proof that a hidden immortal civilization exists in the Himalayas. Scientists suggest that extreme altitude, low oxygen level, harsh weather, and psychological factors may explain many unusual experiences reported by explorers. According to many yogic teachings, places like Shambhala or Gyanganj may not simply be physical locations. Instead, they could represent higher states of consciousness that become accessible only through deep meditation, spiritual discipline, and inner transformation. In that sense, the journey to Shambhala may be as much an inward journey as an outward one. Even today, countless spiritual seekers continue to travel through Tibet, Kailash, and the Himalayan ranges in search of answers. Some hope to discover a hidden kingdom, while others seek inner enlightenment. Whether these sacred places physically exist remains one of the history's greatest unanswered questions. Perhaps they are hidden valleys waiting to be discovered. Perhaps they exist beyond the limits of ordinary perception. Or perhaps they remind us that humanity's greatest journey is not across mountains but within ourselves. Until undeniable evidence is found, Shambhala, Gyanganj, and Shangri-La will continue to inspire explorers, historians, scientists, and spiritual seekers around the world. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SS English Learning Center for more fascinating mysteries, history, science, and spiritual exploration. See you in the next episode. Thank you.